In this video, I'll guide you through how to view your assessment results from your dashboard step by step so you know exactly where to look and what to expect. First, let's start from the main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after you log in. Take a moment to make sure you're actually on the dashboard page and not inside another section of the site. You'll typically see an overview of your account, maybe some recent activity or other quick shortcuts. From here, you'll want to navigate to the accounts area. Look toward the top or side of your screen for a menu labeled Accounts or something very similar. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where your personal settings and information are usually stored, so it's the right place to manage things related to your profile and assessments. Once you're in the Accounts section, look for the option called Profile. This might be in a submenu or a tab, but it should be clearly labeled. Click on Profile to open your personal profile page. This is typically where your individual details, progress, and assessments are tied together. On your profile page, you should now see an option to view your assessment, but only if you've already completed it. The system usually waits until the assessment is fully submitted and processed before showing this option. It might appear as a button or a link, such as View Assessment or View Results. Take a careful look around this page, especially near sections related to assessments, progress, or reports. If you do see that option available, you can click it to open your assessment results. From there, you'll be able to review how you did, look at any feedback that's been provided, and get a better understanding of your performance. This is a great time to pause and go through the details slowly so you can make the most of the information that's been given to you. However, if you don't see an option to view your assessment yet, don't worry. That usually just means your assessment hasn't been reviewed or made available for viewing at this time. It doesn't mean anything is wrong with your account. In many systems, there's a delay between submitting your assessment and being able to see the results, especially if someone needs to review it manually. In that case, the best thing to do is simply check back later. You can return to the dashboard, follow the same path to accounts, then profile, and see if the option appears after some time has passed. If it still isn't there after a reasonable wait, you may want to confirm that your assessment was fully completed and submitted. Sometimes closing a window too early or losing connection can interrupt the process. To recap, you start on your dashboard, go to the Accounts section, then open your profile. Once your assessment has been processed, an option to view it will appear there. If it's not visible yet, just give it a bit more time and check again later. That's all you need to do to access your assessment from the dashboard and profile area.